Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let's thank to our God Allah who has who has given us mercies and blessings. So because of that, we can gather in this class for 11 RPL class. And secondly, my peace and salawat always be given to our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, who has guided us from the darkness of Shirk to the lightness of Tawhid. Okay, in this opportunity or in this morning days, so I want to tell you or deliver something about portfolio presentation. Okay, so we will go to the about me. So who I am. So my name is Zikral Isa Fadli. That's my complete name, and you can call me Zikral or maybe some of my name. And I'm from 11 RPL. Yes. And then my background is, yes, you know, here I was born as the youngest of a child of my parents, and I'm the three siblings, and my hobby is draw on the paper, not in the laptop or maybe digital, something like that. And a little story, how can I get my hobby to do some drawing. So because when I child, I always see my brother like draw something in the digital things like laptop or maybe something like that. And from there, I get some interest to looking for picture, and then I draw it. Then my personal strength is I can draw in other people's style. So I draw with my style, not like people's style. And not only that, I can follow something other people's style draw. Yes, like that. Then my soft skill is fast learner about designer and discipline and many other. You can see on myself. Okay, and then my career interests or future goals is be some of animator in the world. So I want to become some animator like a monster that make some animation like a Bobo Boy or maybe Mekamoto and other. And yes, like that. The next, for my education background. So my school actually in Aiden Boarding School Solo, or we can say Aiden Boarding School Karanganyar. Okay, because this city is Karanganyar, not Solo. Okay, so my major is RPL, or we can say in Indonesian is Rekayasa Perangkat Lunak. And the relevant subject is about IT. Okay, as you know, I have studied in Aiden Boarding School is from junior high school until senior high school. Yes. Then for my skill, there's many my skill is for the hard skill, it's like design graphics. And yes, design graphic is like maybe I design some poster with graphics. And then second one is prototyping. So I can make some design like maybe some presentation that use prototype in Figma. But this prototype actually using for making some UI UX. And next is video editing. So in video editing, I have no more to edit, but yeah, I can do that. Then for photographer, so I can using some camera maybe to take some a little picture with some, yes, like that lah. And then coding, so I can code some like HTML, CSS, and other. Then animation, so the animation is there is two. The first one is like make a character, and then the second one is animating. So I can animate some, maybe some this is a ball, and then I want to animate to do the ball can turn right or turn left, something like that. And then for my soft skill is discipline, fast learner about multimedia, and time management, creativity, and teamwork. Then my project is about, yes, this is a team project, that is Salahuddin Library. So in the Salahuddin Library, we, yes, we make two, there is apps and website. So here there is and my role in this project is about designer. So I design the UI of the web and apps. And for the project objective is to make easier the admin to do his work. Some, maybe some like there is some people donate some book, and then so the admin can do easier in the app or website. And then for the result of impacts is same, to make easier than before, because before is using some maybe offline to face, and then for the continue next is become online. Okay, next. Then my interns experience, so maybe I haven't get this, but this experience I get from IDN, because there is event in IDN or agenda, that is IDN live in. So so in IDN live in, we go to the Lombok, yeah, Lombok Island, and in there we go to work and get money. And here there is my company that I work there for internship. Here the name is GNA PT Gerbang NTB Emas. And in here my team is, the work is just for reviewing the webs, because in there the web is so old, so we must do the website to become like now modern. And then my work in there, I become designer, because I have designed the UI, the new UI of the PT Gerbang NTB Emas. And for the result is good. And then this is the certificate that is for the kerja lapangan, yes, an internship. Then next, there is my achievement and certification. This I have many more, but I just put some off. So here the achievement, there is I get AI Pemula, and then UI design, Dart, and CSS and HTML. And for certification, I have many. that is decoding, from decoding, and Agoda and SoloLearn. The CSS and CSS and HTML I get from SoloLearn, and for the AI Pemula I get from the decoding. And I forget about UI design and Dart. Yes, you can see here there is my certification. And this ID networks, this about pemrograman Dart. Then, so we next to the challenges and lesson learned. So here, my biggest challenge is about device, public speaking, and on the time. It's like maybe some a deadline that I was lost the deadline here, and then how to overcome the my biggest challenge. So I can get some device, maybe some I looking for money with a work, or maybe something like that lah. And then for my public speaking, Hannes, okay, so public speaking, I really cannot public speaking because, as you know, yeah, I'm like this. Then how to overcome my public speaking? Yeah, just try to speak. Then on the time. So because I still late some of the deadline, maybe some my project that deadline, and then yes, how to overcome? I overcoming to make a schedule. And then lesson learned that I have is we must to looking for money by ourselves. Yes. And then career goals and future plan. Okay, so my career goals is maybe I looking for multimedia job because that multimedia is my, yes, is myself. Then skill that I want to develop is about design, and then animation, editing video, photographer, and communication. Because I still haven't know about something like editing video and maybe photographer that using camera pro or other. And for the animation is too, because in animation I just know how to move something to turn right or turn left, or maybe some transition. And my contribution I wish to make is I will do the best about all of my job. Yes. So thanks. So this is my contact. There is my Gmail here, or you can check in my LinkedIn. Here, this is my LinkedIn. Yes, this is my LinkedIn. You can see for the banner is UI UX designer. You can see here for the, this is my design, and then this is my style. So here you can check it in my YouTube if you want to see my videos, and then you can see my, yes, my Instagram, and then my LinkedIn. And I use to design this is Figma apps. And here you can see my all of my project when I school. Yes, now you can see here, or maybe something like video here. Yes, there's design too. You can see here there's many. Oh no. Then Here, there's my GitHub. Yes, my GitHub is GQ01. And here there's many my project. You can see here there is 24 project that I was collect from senior high school for the first semester until now. Okay, so then maybe that's for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.